In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync clip in CapCut. Whether you're matching a video clip with high-quality external audio or lining up on-camera sound with a music track, this walkthrough will make the process quick and reliable. First, open CapCut and head into your workspace. Make sure you're in a project that's set to the right aspect ratio for your edit, so everything lines up the way you expect on the timeline. If your system is a bit slow, closing other apps can help CapCut run more smoothly during syncing. Next, add your video and audio. Import both files into the media library, then drag the video onto the main video track and the external or separate audio onto an audio track below it. It's always best if these files come from the same take. If your video has scratch audio recorded by the camera mic, keep it enabled for now. CapCut uses that waveform to find a perfect match with your external audio. Now, select both clips together. Hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the video clip, then click the audio clip so they're both highlighted. If you're on a Mac, use the Command key. The key point is that CapCut needs to see both items selected at the same time, so it knows what to compare. With both selected, right-click on the selection to open the context menu. You'll see a list of editing options relevant to the clips you highlighted. This is where the synchronization feature lives. Choose Sync Video and Audio. CapCut will analyze the waveforms in your clips, line up matching peaks and patterns, and automatically align the two on the timeline. Behind the scenes, it's matching the loudest points, like claps, speech consonants, or beats, so you don't have to nudge clips manually. This may take a moment depending on clip length, audio quality, and your computer's performance. You'll see CapCut working, and it's normal for the playhead to pause while it processes. Avoid clicking around during this step to let the sync finish cleanly. Be patient and let the process complete. When it's done, give the synced area a quick playback. Watch for lip movements or obvious transients like a hand clap, and make sure they line up precisely with the sound. If the source audio is very noisy, or the waveforms are faint, consider trying a slightly louder section of the clip for a clearer match, and rerun the sync if needed. That's all you need to sync a clip in CapCut. Once it's aligned, you're ready to keep editing with clean, professional audio locked to your video. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!